Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to delete your AvaTrade account. And for this we have two ways how you can do this, and I will show you today exactly what you need to do for this. So the first step is if you go left in the top to the three lines and click on my account and then accounts, you will find all your trading accounts standing right here. So first of all, the thing that you need to do is make sure that you withdraw all the money from your real account. And for the demo accounts, there is a expiration date, so you can wait until that expiration date, and then after that your account will be deleted. But let's be honest, 2029 is maybe a little bit too far. I don't want to wait for that date. So what we're gonna do now is we click here on chat with us, and then we send account closure to this bot. Then right now he is telling us right here, if you go back, sorry, I already did it. But right now, if we send account closure, he's telling us, I'm sorry to learn you wish to close your account with AvaTrade. Do you want to close your full registration or a single trading account? Then select full registration. And then they ask you if you have funded or traded in your accounts yet. Now, I told them yes, but you need to tell them no. And then after that, they are asking you for your name, and they will do all these steps with you to delete your account. So this is the way how you can delete your account on the second way. And hopefully this was the video where you was looking for. So for now, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day and ciao.